it is the video for to make it in order to lead the proof who received the document, because we need to reach the the people who are trying to connect in this proposal, in this supplicate. It is started asymmetry. That's a concept that I try to use, because I am someone from the third world. I am not a US citizen. I am just an anonymous form of life. And I am sending something that it can be rejected. I am sure that it is not very important if I am killed here. I was aware about it when I was detained in the United States, because many people doesn't matter when I lost my freedom. That's something very important. But well, the point is that I want to explain that I sent this document to them. I am going to make awareness that I can be working in technology, in science. In order to apply to a visa by national interest, you need to demonstrate it. I am demonstrating it. I have a lot of ideas for of user stories or data system and methods for the current digital products, including instant messaging apps and social networks. I was sending some tweets this morning. I remember that I slept at 2:30 sending different tweets. And well, at this point, I want to make a consciousness that I hope tomorrow I'm going to send this email, and I hope to receive an email in order to avoid to send a letter by physical mail. I want to make awareness about the environmental issue that we are facing. In fact, I am clear that United States have a problem with the electrical energy production. In this case, it seems that Colombia has a lot of potential. We have a lot of potential with green hydrogen. We also have potential in order to create hydroelectrical energy. And we probably can make those kind of organizations in order to solve the problem of United States or related with the source of the electrical energy production. Concerning the waste management problems, I have been brainstorming a lot of ideas. I am negotiating it at this moment. I want to explain that many people, I want to talk about terrorism, because I have been trying to talk with the people that I have in the number, and I have been trying to reach them through WhatsApp in order to request them if they can send the supplicate through the physical mail. It seems that it is very expensive if I print, unless for us, for my family. They will help me because I don't have money. It seems that I need to print a 25 or 30 pages document with the supplicate. And I was trying to send the additional information from the asylum, the political asylum form and the asylum form, and it probably will be expensive. My family will lend me this money at this moment. Is going to lend me the money, and they told me that probably it's expensive. I have been trying to send it by different contacts that I have on the United States, but some of them don't reply. Some of them told me that they can't make it because they feel anxious about what I am doing. They probably could feel scared about the confrontation that I am doing, but I am secure because I already faced this process of being scared to direct to a Planet Health leader. But the point is that uh, I was not able to send the document during the 30 days. I am not clear in the legislation, not clear if you need to receive the document during 30 days, or if you can send the document during the 30 days, because I need to send the document tomorrow because nobody wants to help me with that. At this moment, a friend of my mother uh, told her that she can help me. I am writing him on WhatsApp and she's not replying. I also made her a call and she's not replying, but I hope that she can send the document tomorrow. If she can send it, I want to explain the reason because I can send it. I have been trying during this month to search for someone who can help me sending this document. I was talking with someone, with Jasmine. She's a lawyer in the United States. She's living in New Jersey. She told me that she will help me with that, but I have been trying to call her and she's not replying. Maybe it is because I am writing some things and she don't wants to confront the government because she has very good relation with the government and maybe she don't want to confront it or be responsible about it. If someone send it, the madam who will help me sending the mail, sending the supplicate through mail, through physical mail, she she don't have nothing. She don't have any personal position about the things that I'm writing. I am completely responsible about it. I remember that, for example, Victor Hugo Musenden, the person who helped me to leave the detention center because he told that he will be my sponsor. He covered me $1,500 in order to make it. He just hung up the phone and I called her uh, yesterday, and he told me that I must be in the jail because I violate the law. I don't understand a lot of terrorism, but it make no. I tried to send it with different people and it was not able. Also with Alejandro, he don't reply me the phone. I asked to a lot of lawyers in order to define the address for sending the to submit the documents. I assume that it is the address that I see in the Department of Justice in the website. I'm going to send to this address. I hope to receive a positive reply tomorrow. Yesterday I was very happy, and I don't know because I am feel very secure about my. I, I am completely. I feel confident. I am completely an meritorious U.S. citizen if I become a U.S. citizen. For this reason, I I am explaining that I have a paradox in my case because in order to continue with my field of research, I need to put at risk my life, and I am a PhD candidate. And I remember when I told the judge Megan Hitch that I am a postdoctorate candidate in metaphilosophy in Stanford in the second court, and she probably perceived that I was that I was crazy for this reason, and she it seems that she sent me to the judge Mark Samate for this reason in order to evaluate my mental health. It is very good that uh, Judge Mark Samay told me that he don't perceive that I have any mental health because many people say that about me, and I use this court as a proof that I have a posture of a judge from United States about my mental health. Many people talks bullshit about me, a lot of people, because they are probably political oppositors. And well, I just want to explain that I hope I am going to validate it. I was focused because I was planning a strike with the taxi drivers, but those people is not serious. I think that they are. I was thinking that they were planning to make a strike for tomorrow, and it was not true. They changed it for August night. But well, I am. It gives me more time in order to focus during this time in the document that I need to send to the United States. I am going to record some videos. It will be very important for me in the future. Next year, I hope to be in the United States and remembering when I was recording these videos, I want to meet all the judges and the Planet Health leaders. I am relatively sure that next year I will be. I already met all the people in the document, and I want to make all the people please physically, and I want to shake the hands. I want to cultivate the trees because we will use approximately 30 pages of to send this supplicate, and I'm not going to put at risk that probably the U.S. government told me that I violate the laws and that it was not possible to send it by email. I need to send it by physically because I am in a very complex situation. I am happy at this moment. I want to be more secure. Yesterday I was trying to reach the police of this city in the city that I live in. I am once again I am part of the police program of security, but it doesn't work. The police told me that they were planning to be here today, and it is not true. Uh, well, I am tired with the direct energy weapons. I want to one of the reason because I want to be in a military base belong the security that I need to have at this moment. I want to research about directed energy weapons, and I want to physically train as a military. It will be very important for me. I need to train in this case, and I need to train about security. Once again, I can sing strong NDAs and can be in a low security military base. Well, I have some connection from the Department of Defense, and I think that it can become a reality. I understand the scope. Uh, Yesterday, I remember a tweet to Elon Musk about the feature of Twitter, and well, I have a lot of ideas to improve Twitter, WhatsApp, and let's thought that it is only hypothesis, but I assure that there are very good ideas, and I want to evolve the civilization. I also want to make rich, billionaire. I want to make no profits. Um, well, I need to be physically in Silicon Valley. In fact, I hope I am going to make my best effort in order to reach to combines. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm going to make a call to the U.S. Embassy in Colombia. The problem is the network here is not working. The 4G network. I can make calls. It is unstable, but I'm going to try to call to the U.S. Embassy tomorrow. I'm going to explain about my situation. I hope to to take an airplane on July 1. It will be my focus, or at least in July, after the the protest, the strike for July 19 with the militaries. Uh, well, I need security and I want to work. I need no tropics. I need to receive the money from my back, please. Uh, I need resources and it is very serious. I want to create awareness about it, and I want to leave the proof in the history of Colombia, in the story of America in general, because it is part of the story of America. Um, I want to leave the proof, the things that I'm doing at this moment. I am getting more leadership during the time. I am starting to reach leadership with militaries and with taxi drivers, for example, and with different uh, demographic profiles of humans. And well, I hope to take an airplane. I don't know if in July 1, but I hope to take an airplane to the United States on July. It will be my goal. I don't want to take risks in this place, and I have to come back. That's only what I want to say. I think that tomorrow I am going to record at least one video, like part of the time, 30 days. It was the time. I was reading that the Board of Immigration Appeals needs to reply in 6 months or 1 year. I hope to receive it earlier. And well, I need to finish this video. Happy New Year, humanity and US citizens.